Citizen Machinery UK Open House, day one. It's finally here, but come and see what you haven't missed. I say that because you can still register for day 2 and day 3 and get yourself down here. Now, in this showroom, you've got 10 machines showcasing the latest Citizen Machinery technology, including the D25 with full 5-axis simultaneous machining. You've got the L32 Type 8 with LFE, and we know what LFE is, low frequency vibration, getting rid of that bird's nesting problem. Then, you've also got another 6 machines here, still showcasing loads more technology, and in both showrooms, lots of product partners. So get yourself down here, have a look around and see what Citizen Machinery have got to offer. Not only that, the world famous curry night on Wednesday night, and also your chance to win a special edition Citizen watch. So get yourself down here, get yourself registered, and we'll see you soon.
We've focused a lot of our new technology on LFV, low frequency vibration, which assists in tool life as well as breaking up swarf. This is the first Miano in the country with LFV technology. It's a platinum type hybrid machine with a turret as well.
Tony, why would an engineer attend Citizen Machinery Open House?
Well, I always say to people, come to the open house. It's not just about the Citizen machines. Obviously, we've got new machines on show and lots of new latest technology, but we have lots of really good partners, Renishaw, Wogard, tooling suppliers. So there's more interesting stuff. They're launching all their new equipment as well. So there's interesting products for the customers to come and see as well as the machines.
So fantastic open house. One of the machines you're showcasing, Warren?
Yeah, so behind me is the D25. It's the next generation of Citizen sliding heads. It's a 25mm capacity machine. It's got the ability to balance turn, gang mill. It's got true 5-axis simultaneous machining. It's lightning quick, and it's, like I said, it's the next generation of Citizen machines with the M800 control, which is touchscreen.
Chris, why at the open house?
Basically, we've got a lot of Citizen machines at our place. 3 of them are up for renewal on lease soon. We're just coming up now to look at new technology and compare it and see what we can do to improve the production.
Any particular technology?
Mainly the B-axis will be a great advantage for a lot of our angle holes. And obviously, a lot of them have got more tooling spaces available now, which is put parts in families and quick sets, so we're looking at that as well.
Dave, one of the machines you're showcasing at the show?
Yes, brand new L32 Type 8 LFE. First time it's been shown, or first time it's launched in the UK. New machine with new technology, LFE, which we all know about. We've got better tool life, we've got better swarf control, and we've actually got better surface finish. We've also got 5 tools now on the back instead of 4, which are all driven. Guide bush and non-guide bush, switchable from one to the other, and up to 38mm capacity.
Product partners with machine tool companies at their open house is key these days. Dave, you're from Cogstill, what are you showcasing?
That's right, Colin. As you say, we specialise in hole finishing solutions. Today we're showcasing some smaller components that would be ideal for Citizen machines. We've got some small deburring tools, we have diamond burnishing tools, internal, external burnishing tools. It's just perfect for the Citizen machine.
In terms of LFV, what do you know about that so far?
It's obviously the chip breaking technology. We've seen similar technology for a competitor, which we're just about to go down the route of, and we do know that we need it. It's certainly something we've come across issues with swarf control. Some very stringy materials, not just stainless, and very soft steels that we're coming across that are causing us some real problems at the moment.
So the LFV will be the solution, you hope?
Definitely so, definitely so. I mean, when you're talking about running 4 parts and it's alarmed out for swarf, and it's a simple job, tools last all day. You know, we don't need that problem.
enjoyed automatic tooling, your involvement with Citizen?
Well, we've been involved with Citizen for in excess of 25 years, really since the inception of the company. And we supply them with tooling for the Citizen machines, tooling solutions. We tend to be more on the niche side, so when people have machining problems, they call Floyd. We do everything from the collets, bushes, the collet holders, the over-gripping collets, broaching heads, knurling, cutting tools by Applitech, the knurlings by Zeus, and we try to be the one-stop shop for sliding head users, from the bar feed collet in the bar feed right up to the pickup collet on the sub-spindle.
Ronnie, I'm looking at the GN3200. Doesn't strike me as a typical sliding head machine.
No, it's a very small, compact, more of a fixed head machine for hard turning, but it's also super accurate and fully automated.
Excellent, yeah, great example there. But looking at a more traditional one, the L32 over here.
Move over towards the L32.
So Ronnie, L32, I know you've got the L32 Type 8 with LFE.
Yes.
How does this one differ?
Well, this is the Type 12, top of the range. You've got Y-axis in the back, so more tool capability, and also B-axis on the front for more complex parts.
Okay, fantastic looking machine. Now, next one is the L20. Now, this has got LFE technology. What do you expect from this machine?
Again, super accurate. LFE speaks for itself. We can also take it up to inch on here, inch bar, and
Tiny footprint?
yeah, small footprint, exactly. Yeah.
Great showcase for machines. Ronnie, thank you very much.
Thank you.
As I said earlier, see what you haven't missed, because you can still get down here and registered for day 2 and day 3 Citizen Machinery Open House. Not only that, world famous curry night, and also your chance to win a limited edition Citizen watch.